Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And when it comes time to the awesome DJI wireless microphone system, I have just been clipping the transmitter to my shirt. I haven't used any lavalier microphone. Well, I finally picked up this Shure lavalier microphone, which came highly recommended. So if you are looking for one, this one, especially I saw one video where they did a comparison to multiple microphones for lavalier, and this one seemed to be the best recommended one. It's currently $69. I'll be sure to put a link in the description as well as in the comment section below so you can check it out. If it makes sense, you can order it. This is the MVL clip-on microphone. This was not sent to me. I did purchase it. So let me go ahead and hook it up. By the way, the audio on this video is unedited from beginning to end. You're hearing the audio now with the Shure lavalier microphone, and sometimes I like the setup versus hanging the transmitter on my shirt. Now, let's talk about what's included. Obviously, you got the box. It comes with this leatherette pouch, and inside there was the foam, the wind foam protector. We also have the instructions and some other documents. Now, one thing about the DJI wireless microphone system, there's two versions now. The first one, which has been out, comes with the charging case, the receiver, and two transmitters, or the newer one comes with one transmitter, one receiver. So you have the option of both. Now, as far as the lavalier microphone, this is a nice thin cable. And as far as the clip, which I wish it could rotate, like I have the DJI's one, and which is about $35 lavalier microphone, you can rotate that. And I was hoping that clip might work and replace it. This way you can only turn to the left or to the right. So that is the thing to keep in mind. I wish more of these companies had that rotating capability, but this is a great way to go if you don't want to have your transmitter attached to your shirt. Looks cleaner. You could run this under your shirt, and I wanted you to hear the audio. So let me know what you think, and if you find this video of help, by the way, greatly appreciate a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber and find it value, click that subscribe button and of course the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. And if you are using the Shure microphone, let me know how you've been enjoying it. But this is the audio. This is what it sounds like. Let me know what you think. And for me, I find it in doing testing, it does sound clean. It does sound a little bit lower as far as sound versus having the transmitter attached to my shirt. So there you go. Hope this is of help. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.